Alright guys, I'm gonna keep scrubbing on this frame to try to get it cleaned up. I still got some real heavy grease right in there to get. And of course I'm gonna have to take out my cross member, probably my fuel lines, and I might take the bolts out of that brake line and everything. But you see I got a whole lot of grease or transmission fluid or something right there. I'm gonna try to get that off, because I'm gonna go ahead and coat the bottom of the cab too. I'm gonna take my wire brush on my drill here and knock off all the loose stuff before I start trying to get that grease off. All the dry areas I'm gonna hit with this brush real quick. Well, not real quick, but for y'all it'll be real quick. For me it's gonna be hours. Alright guys, about halfway on the cab here. You see what it used to look like. This old patch here, it's pretty much dry, so it come off fairly easy. I probably will wipe this down with acetone and get any oil residue off of it, so that paint will stick pretty good. Yeah, I still gotta remove this fuel line. And I know it's gonna be full of fuel, so I'm not gonna do it right now. I'll probably just work on this side for the rest of the day, and then when I'm done I'll take this loose, let it drain, and take it off. Alright guys, I've been at this for like 2 whole days now, and I got most of underneath the truck done. It's pretty much done under here. It's a little dusty. I'm gonna wipe it off with some acetone, but I did get the frame all the way back to the end of the cab here. That's where I'm gonna stop at for now. So that's pretty much all completed, the best I can get it. Now I'm going to take the front wheels off and my shocks, and then we'll go over this with the wire brush. I'm going to take me a break, get some of this dirt and stuff washed off of me, and put some cold water on my face, cool off for a little bit, and then we'll come back and finish it. All right, break time's over. It's still super hot out here, so I'm going to try to put my gazebo up by myself. Let's see how that works out. Alright, that wasn't quite as bad as I thought it was going to be. It's a lot better. Alright guys, I'm gonna call this good enough, and I think that's all I'm gonna do today. I'm tired, I've been at it all day, so I'll go ahead and clean up, and we'll come out in the morning and paint this thing. It's just my luck, it's supposed to rain today, so I'm gonna try to hurry up and get this stuff on here, and hopefully it'll dry before it rains. So I'm gonna go ahead and use some acetone and wipe it off real good, get any leftover grease or oil and all that stuff off. Alright, here's the POR-15, and I got this stick here to stir it up before I use it, my paintbrush. And I think what I'm going to do is try to work on the front half here, so maybe it'll dry before it rains. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see. I guess I'll do the front. Try to work back here and work my way out, and then I'll go under it and get the rest later. Alright guys, I just got done. Hopefully it'll set up before it rains. I didn't get in the control arms real good, because eventually I plan on changing all that. I just put a little on there. My main focus was to get it on the frame and underneath the cab. So I got the frame real good, all underneath the cab, especially around these cab supports. And I stopped it right here at the back of the cab. I will do the rest of the frame some other time. Right now I wanted to get this while the engine was out. It ain't perfect, but it'll do, I guess. Oop, it rained. It started raining like an hour after I got done. So I don't know if it had time to set up or not. This is the next day, so we're gonna check it out and see if it messed it up any. like it did. Put a little spot right here. Looks like it's kind of bubbled up a little. Yeah, I got a little bit of bubbling in there too. So I guess it wasn't completely dry before it started raining. Overall, I guess it's pretty good. I didn't search the whole thing, but we do got there's a couple spots bubbling like I showed you, but what can you do? What can you do? I don't have a garage, so this is the type of stuff you gotta deal with. So, but anyways, I guess that's it for this one. Till next time, see ya.